something will come tonight. Something. And in the book, it's the angel of death. If you look upon his face, that's it. Now, in those days, the special effects were very primitive. 40 and 50 years ago, nearly. And so, they had a stuntman on a horse. And he rode this onto the set, which was very slippery. He had to stop the horse outside the circle. 4 of us in the circle. He managed to do that. But you could see the reins pulling the horse and the stirrups for his feet. And then they did a thing of the helmet as a skull. Death. Look upon his face and you were dead. So that didn't make sense. Now, I've met quite a few people in the last few years who want to see that film made again. I could still do it. I couldn't run, but I could do it. And a very exciting story. But the difference is the special effects. Today, it will be done as we call CGI, computer-generated image. So, you could do all sorts of horrible things outside the circle, as well as the daughter, but then the angel of death would be just the horse. No reins, no stirrups, no horseman, nothing. And that would be fantastic, because that is what he describes in the book. Unfortunately, in those days we weren't able to do that. If we ever do make it again.
I think we finished the masterclass in the way that a masterclass is intended, that we have learned something from a master, and he has thrown a challenge to the film directors here, the film funders, the scenarists, the hopefuls, and the actuals.